Oh, this is like how you cause an accident.
Yeah.
Can't see shit, hop in traffic, can't go nowhere. Oh gosh.
More of the clutch just fell out. Let's go, S52. Let's do this. Almost at 30.
Almost at 30 miles per hour. It seems like it can't go above 30, huh? Third gear shift.
It doesn't like us very much right now, dude.
Well, today is the day we actually fix. Wow, I might start fixing it. I'm just trying to like not even get to it because I've been dreading it. I don't want to do
YouTube, is he gonna fix it?
Yeah, for the YouTube. Just gotta slide this baby out, man. All right, let's get it. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. It's like a newborn, dude.
Give it birth.
Don't die now.
Oh, that's what happened.
Oh shit.
Good news, plywood looks good. Wow.
Damn, I'm glad it didn't like take out one of your legs, dude.
Oh my gosh, explosion, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty contained, so I think this was an original Sox clutch, right?
Yeah, dude, that's how you know Grandma be praying for me, bro. I'll be almost dying on a daily. People praying for me, for sure, for sure.
Ain't nobody praying for me.
Well, a little bit of YouTube magic. We're back like nothing ever happened. I'm gonna take it easy because I don't want to mess up the clutch right away.
Maybe later.
Yeah.
Where are we going right now?
Wow. So, we literally just finished the clutch job, like super dirty. I mean, it's probably not the smartest decision to take this car, but we have to test it anyways.
Yeah.
Right now we're going to Dave's, change, and then we're on our way to go buy.
And we'll cut that out, we'll show it.
Okay, we'll shut him out. We're on our way to go buy something special. So yeah, just stay tuned now. Goddamn power steering leak.
It's not a E46 M3 like I wanted it to be, but it's something.
It's a baby pull.
Do a third gear pull.
Feels good. A little bit. Yeah, I'm over this car. I'm excited to see your new car. Dave's looking at the car right now. You guys don't know what it is. Gotta keep it a secret. We are inspecting a note to the wise. If you haven't done this rodeo a couple times, don't buy a car in the dark. This is why. Gotta use flashlight. Hey, what do you think based off of that? That's all you get. They're about to handle the business right now. You happy with your purchase, man?
You got a carbon fiber lip.
Wait, it was too dark. I was taking off the lens. I said, you happy with your purchase, man?
Maybe. I got a carbon fiber lip.
There, damn, dude, that's a flex, bro. It's just a package.
But who the fuck praying for me?
Send it.
Send it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's so weird not shifting. It goes.
They have fast automatic cars.
Yeah, fast automatic car. Alright, Dave sold his truck, right? And he bought this. We did show a little bit of snippets, but now we're finally gonna show you everything. It needs a little bit of work, TLC, but nothing we're not used to. Check it out, here we go.
I am outside in an AMG GGGGGG. Alright, what's the specs? What motor? What size?
So it's a 3.2 M112K V6. So it's like the C320 motor, but like better pistons, better rods, so it can handle boost. And compression is like down from 10.5 to 9.1.
Damn, dude. You barely own this car. You already know all that, huh?
Yeah, I got to.
Engine code is what? M104?
M112.
M112 and M104 is in 190E, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong.
M104, isn't that's like Jason's car? I think the 6-cylinder one.
Ah.
Yeah.
See, now we're just getting information. We're getting this Mercedes information. We don't even need this.
The only problem is it's automatic.
I mean, yeah. Only problem is automatic, but I mean, that's just how they come, right?
Yeah.
But now we can actually play the Drake song and just be vibing out to it.
AMG.
Car looks good, I'm not gonna lie. It's a good size, it's a good body shape. It's not too like aerodynamic-y, you know? It's still got like the old school look.
Dude, look at how much steering lock it has. Like, imagine how good this would be for drifting.
If you had a fucking welded diff. That's full lock? This car looks good. This is so weird to see, like a V in front of the 6 coming from BMW. Hey, fun fact, this AMG tips is the exact AMG tips on my BMW. Alright, so far you owned it for what, a week?
3 days.
3 days. Best thing you like about it, best thing you hate about it, and best thing you hate about it. You know what I mean?
Best thing I like about it, it's comfy.
It is pretty comfy, you don't have to shift gears.
I like the AMG seats like a lot.
Dude, I just checked the back and I was like, what? AMG stamp back? Rear Ace AMG?
Like the style of the seats. It's like new but kind of retro in a sense.
Yeah, it looks good.
The annoying part of the car right now
Yeah.
is the supercharger keeps cutting out.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And I'm not mad, but I was told that the supercharger wasn't cutting out. I already figured out what it is, so it's all good. But that's the most annoying part about this car right now, and also the AC doesn't work. Black car, black interior, it's just not a fun time. You wanna drive this time?
Sick. Let me drive it. The hell is this?
I almost lost the key in a drain the other day, so I was like, I should probably put a keychain on it.
Fancy.
It even has my name on it.
I know, I see. Right away, I feel like a damn boss.
You feel like a boss?
I feel like a boss. Shout out to a boss, bro. I miss that guy.
Yeah.
This is weird, though.
The
Like,
key?
Yeah. Does that ever go out? Like the little sensor that's in here?
No, it's actually the one in here. It's called the EIS module. It's like the EWS for the Mercedes.
That could go out.
Yeah, it's like like right behind here, like this thing is connected to like a computer that sticks like this.
Oh shit. That's a little pain in the dick.
A little bit.
Alright.
I'll open the windows. Kind of warm in here because the AC don't fucking work. But
One click goes down. One click goes up. Wow. Heated seats.
only this side works.
What else? I mean, this is a cool car. Like, I would actually own this car just to drive around like a daily, because it's a pretty sick car. That's a fucking supercharger.
Yeah.
All right, let's test the turn radius real quick. Dude, turn radius is pretty legit.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Wow, this is actually.
It feels
really
like it has
good.
an angle kit, dude. Like that's what it feels like.
Yeah,
Honestly.
I actually remember the first time I did a U-turn in this car when I drove it. I was like, damn, this turn radius is really good.
Kind of dizzy now, bro.
Yeah.
Like I'm legit dizzy right now.
We're gonna hear an exhaust clip after. I just want to give it a pull. I'm gonna put it in sport mode because I'm a race car driver. How do you know we're in sport?
It says right there.
Oh yeah, S.
Yeah.
All right. Let me show them the instrument cluster because this is a different change right here. Oh, and you smacked this with your head. I was wondering what I was off.
No.
Alrighty. First gear.
Oh my god, the camera like shook completely. The camera is like, I don't know what happened to it, but like the ball thing on the bottom of the tripod like was just all over the place, bro.
It's alright, dude. They can understand the torque what we had. Hey, my bad for hitting that dip so hard. I
Nah,
didn't think it was
it's all
gonna be that bad.
Nah, we're good.
I figured it
wasn't
was
that bad.
stock suspension. It would just absorb it.
Well, no, it's kind of low. It's lowered on H&Rs.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That thing goes, bro.
Yeah.
It feels a little weird because you're not shifting, but
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there's more power in it, like especially since I may have found some issues with the boost. Yeah, we're gonna do intercoolers to the car.
yeah, there you go. Turn the camera to your face every time you talk.
We're gonna do intercoolers.
My favorite thing about this car, aux cord from the factory. 2004. That's wild.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, that's wild. Alright, exhaust clip. See how it sounds.
She's not gonna hear anything.
I know. We haven't really heard.
And you can only really rev it to like 4,000. It like stops you.
Oh wow.
It's just the Mercedes thing.
Stupid Mercedes. That's pretty whack how it can't go more than 4,000. It's like, what? Is it a code BMW? Do you want to do like a pull? Outside pull? That car looks good with Dave because Dave looks like a fucking boss in that car. Look at him. I'm not gonna lie, a C63 is like one of my favorite BMWs. I mean BMWs, Mercedes, and this almost looks like a miniature C63. Yeah, if I ever get a Mercedes, it'll be like that or SL550. I'm not really a Mercedes dude just because I can't shift my own gears, but I'm pretty sure I would get one for a daily because it's just floor it and you're gone. Let's see what these people got to say. I don't know what it is, but Dave just keeps owning black cars. Hey, did you ever... What was that? E-brake?
Yeah,
Oh, you scared me.
Lock it.
I thought the airbag went off or something. Hey, you know, you're like, you have nothing but like black cars.
Yeah.
Like, you literally drove this by and I was like, hey, it looks like E30. Sick, this thing goes. Alrighty. Anything else for the people? Want to let them know anything?
It's a cool car. If you ever come across one, if it's a 2004, they only ever brought 216 pieces of them or units of them into the U.S. So it's a pretty rare car.
Why
I didn't know that.
Why they say pieces?
Oh, I just said pieces.
Okay.
I couldn't remember the word.
So yeah, it's pretty rare. 200 and what?
216.
16.
If it's a 2004, yeah.
How many of the other years? They have more years?
There's like 1,000 of them or something.
But overall, rare ass car.
Yeah, it's a rare ass car.
I was just telling people that I would own it. AMG. Go, 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 go! I would own a Mercedes, but I just don't know which one. And
C55.
yeah, C55, something with a V8 supercharged or just to cruise around, because it feels good not shifting, right?
Yeah, it's totally a nice daily, and then when someone fucks with you, you're just like, yeah,
Motherfucker, get
back
this.
there.
Yeah, I never thought I would come to an age where I'm just like, you know what? Maybe I don't want to shift today.
Meat beaters.
All right, we're gonna leave it there. Cool car. Comment below if you know any information or you're a Mercedes dude. And yeah, new car to the fleet.
Yeah.
We out.
We out.
Peace, guys. Like, subscribe, comment all the famous YouTube stuff. We out here. On to the next project and see the transformation. All right, peace. I'm out.
Who praying for me?